Do you question why water runs downstream and not up? Do you question why birds fly and they don't crawl? Do you question why trees grow out of the ground and not the sky? All the things in nature that we never question, and yet we question ourselves, as if we aren't literally part of nature. Because let me share with you what your self-doubt is actually costing you, what the loyalty to self-doubt is actually causing in the universe around you. It's not just costing you something. Every time you decide to not take action, not to trust yourself, every time you question whether you're good enough, whether you're chosen enough, whether you're worthy enough, whether you're ready enough, there is a person out there waiting for exactly what you carry, how you think, what you're creating, and they don't get it. The water doesn't reach them because you talked yourself out of being the river. And I know our self-doubt and our doubt feels humble, but it isn't. It's a loyalty to a program that you likely didn't even create. It's a disservice to everything or every place or everyone who your creativity, your passion, your skills, your purpose, your dream was created to serve. Let's do an EFT tapping sequence to finally release this self-doubt and step into the ultimate trust. Just tap where I tap and repeat after me. Even though I have felt this self-doubt, maybe for as long as I can remember, I am ready to deeply release this and choose self-love and acceptance. Even though I am loyal to questioning my worth, I deeply and completely forgive myself. And even if this self-doubt is in my lineage, it is safe to no longer be loyal to it. Even though it feels exhausting to be a pattern breaker, I am ready to break this pattern. Because I know that I have so much to give and offer to myself and the world. And I am ready to finally choose myself. Let's go to the top of the head. I have a loyalty to myself. But within that loyalty, I stayed doubtful. Because I thought that would make me more lovable. I thought it would give me something in common with my family. So even though it feels like I am dishonoring my family, I know that the most honorable thing I can do is choose myself and my reality. Because the river never questions itself. The bird never questions its wings. And I have that same power within me. And if I believe it has to be a hard process to break free of this loyalty, I'm recognizing that is just another program. Because releasing self-doubt is the easiest thing I will ever do. Because self-doubt is not natural to who I am. So I am no longer governed by self-doubt. I am no longer governed by the laws of my lineage. I am no longer governed by the man-made conditions of this reality. I am stepping into the most expansive expectations, the limitless liminal space of receiving. And I am remaining connected to all those who love and honor me, even though I don't share their loyalty to self-doubt. It is safe to be different. And I deeply trust my highest self. I deeply trust my vision. And I am ready to fully step into the river. I am ready to fully step into the waters of me. And so I am. And so it is. Take a deep breath in and out. My throat got a little bit caught up there. That must have struck a nerve with my nervous system. I'd be interested to hear, did anyone else have like a physical reaction to any of those words or statements? Let me know in the comments. If not, let me know EFT with Demi in the comments as well, so I know who is watching. If you enjoyed this EFT tapping session and you want to be a part of my first live free masterclass that I'm doing on YouTube live stream as a private link, make sure you go to the link in my bio and click the first link in there and sign up so that you are on the email list. It is about becoming your high frequency self. So we're going to be doing EFT tapping. We're also going to be doing a few exercises. So bring a notebook and a pen or a piece of paper and a pen. We're also going to be doing some visualizations. So it's almost going to be like a workshop of a masterclass. I'm so excited for it. And it's free. So make sure you go and secure your spot. There will be a replay as well if you can't make it live. It's this Friday, the 17th of July, 4 p.m. Australia time. So you have to figure out the conversion if you're in another country, which I know a lot of you are. But I'm so excited if you can make it. I would love for you to join. And in the meantime, if you are wanting to do more EFT tapping with me, if you're wanting to explore programs or working with me one-on-one, I have a free quiz that you can take, which kind of generates what I would suggest to you depending on what you're needing. That's also in my link in bio, so make sure you check that out. But I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you for joining me for this EFT tapping session, and I will hopefully see you soon.